You are a busy studio owner, and there's 1,000 people trying to tell you what you should be doing on social media. But what's the problem? They all take a lot of time, and that's something that you just don't have. I get it. I sat in every chair at the dance studio, and I know what it takes to make a studio run with ease, and it's not easy. Not easy for one person. Not easy for one person to do manually. So what did I do? I came up with systems that you can automate, set up, and just let run and go back to doing the things that you love. My name is Michaela, founder of Dance Concierge, and I help studio owners just like you all across the country create the studio of your dreams without doing the stuff you hate. Thank you so much for tuning in. You're watching another Tip Tuesday. To keep getting these every week, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. Today I'm going to give you 5 things that you can do to keep your social media on track that don't take a lot of time. Yes, there are more strategies that you can do, and there are more complex things that you can put in place, but really with these 5 things, that's what's going to get you the most return for the least amount of time. Number 1, create a theme. You want to make sure that your social media channel just looks like it goes all together. In your studio, you don't have a bunch of things over here with one theme and everything over there with another theme. All of your studio goes together, so make sure your social media does the same. Is it sending the same message? Do the images look alike? When someone visits your social media channel, they just have a clear picture what your studio is about. What classes do you offer? Who your class is for? What do you stand for as a studio? What are your values? Are your posts showcasing preschoolers or high school dancers or maybe elementary school dancers? Are they appealing and trendy, or do they look chaotic? What does your social media channel say about your studio? Try making a list of 5 words that you want to portray or 5 feelings that you want to come across in your social media, and then take a quick audit. Are your posts really sending that message? If not, change it. Number 2, post regularly. Come up with a schedule and stick to it. I recommend that you post every day because you need to keep engaging with your followers. And the more you do that, the more they're gonna remember your brand. You also wanna look active on social media. If someone is searching for a dance studio and they come across your page and they don't see posts for maybe a few months or even a few weeks, they might think that you just really don't care about reaching out. And that's not something that you wanna tell a future customer. Pro tip, if you create a content calendar and schedule your posts for future publishing, you can actually have all of this done for you without touching your computer. If you struggle with content, go to danceconcierge.com and check out our social media kit for dance studios. It's gonna give you great posts every month to add to your social media channel, a bonus content calendar to help you start scheduling those posts out, and holiday posts, because who wants to actually go Googling a Merry Christmas or Happy New Year image and try to make it their own? Number 3, tag. Tag everyone and every brand who's in your posts. When you do that, those posts are gonna show up on their feed, and guess what? Their followers are gonna see it. It's like free advertising. Number 4, hashtag. You can think of hashtags as search words. So these should be words that relate to your content and to your brand. If you are posting about a studio in Indianapolis, I would hashtag Indianapolis or Indianapolis Dance or Indie Preschools, something like that, to make it so that your future customers can find you. Make sure that you're actually searching for these hashtags to make sure that they A, exist, B, are active, and that there's room for you on that channel. Number 5, my favorite one, strategic mingling. And I don't mean dating. I mean actually interacting with people on social media that know nothing about you. The point behind this is you need to go where your customers are already and start interacting with them. Search for accounts that they already follow. Search for the local elementary school. Click to see the list of followers and then go down that list. Open up those profiles. Those are your future customers, right? So start engaging with their profiles and they will actually start to notice you as well. That's it. That's the 5 things that you need to do to start making your studio stand out on social media. For a busy studio owner who doesn't have a lot of time on their hands and doesn't have a lot of cash to hire an agency to do this for them, these are the 5 things that you can do to get you the best results with the least amount of effort. You can do this. Your studio is your livelihood, and you didn't open this so that you could run a bunch of social media channels. So what I recommend is you go to danceconcierge.com and click on our social media kit. It'll give you 10 great graphics every month to post on your channel, a bonus content calendar, and bonus holiday posts. So go ahead, click on it now, and get started today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next time on another Tip Tuesday.